In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your radio on a 2011 to 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Using a trim tool, you're going to remove the bezel on both sides. Start from the bottom and work your way up. Put the trim tool on the inside of the bezel and push it outwards. Don't push it out too much because the clips are facing downwards. You'll see when I take it out what I mean. This is the location where all the clips are. This side felt a little stuck, so I started using a flathead. Now with both side bezels removed, there's 6 screws that you have to take off to remove the radio bezel. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, you can remove these 6 screws. These are just placement pins that hold it in place, so when you put it back, you can align it correctly. Now you can give it a slight pull and it should just come right out. Be careful when pulling it out because there's still a wire connected at the very top. For the wire, push down the little tab and then pull it out. Now you can remove the 4 screws that are holding in the radio. Using a Phillips head, you can remove the 4 screws. For this aux cord, you could just pull it straight out. For these 2 wire harnesses, there's a little tab. Push down on the little tab and then pull it out. For the last wire harness, you're going to use a pick. You're going to lift up that little pink thing a little bit, but for me it broke off. So just be careful while doing it. But after you take it off, there's a little tab. You push down on the tab and then you can pull it right out. Now you can take out the old radio and then put in the new one. Now you can put back all the wire harnesses. and align the radio with the gauges. And make sure that top wire is sticking up. Now you can tighten the 4 radio screws. And plug back in the radio bezel. You could take the radio bezel and align the gauges now, and then put back in the 6 screws.